How to log in into Temu account. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel, and let us get started. First of all, make sure that you have installed Temu application in your device. Once done, open up your Temu application and you will land onto a page like this. In here, you will automatically see the sign in button. If you don't see this here, tap on the use section, then tap on sign in/register. Now here you can either continue with your Google account, your Facebook, email or phone number. Also make sure that you already have an Temu account in order to get logged into it. In my case, I'm going to go ahead and tap on continue with Google. And just like so, you will get landed onto your menu page, and this is how you can do it. Just in case you are logging in through a web browser, the process is same as well. If you are entering your phone number, you have to do that and enter your password, and that way you will also get landed onto a page like this. That's all for today. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then please consider liking and subscribing to our YouTube channel.